Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Pool. Recently Samsung has released the Galaxy A6 Plus alongside the Galaxy S6 in India. The phone is aimed at millennials who are more into multimedia and social media, meaning a good display, camera, support for latest apps and features. So in this video we're going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A6. The biggest change introduced on the Galaxy A series this time is the elongated infinity display with 18.5:9 aspect ratio. It covers the front. That means removal of the home button, extra bezels from the top and bottom, and a narrow but tall display. It is similar to what is already seen on the more powerful Galaxy A8 Plus. Surprisingly, Samsung has used metal in place of glass. Glass is undoubtedly adds more class to the design, but metal has its own advantages. It's more durable and doesn't catch fingerprints like glass. The back is flush. The quality of finish is premium and it also has rounded sides and corners. I call it a football field design, as Samsung has found a new pattern to fit the antenna bands. Both the bands form a T-like shape at each end, plus there's Samsung's standard soda can tap style camera module with two lenses and fingerprint sensor. There's nothing on the top of the phone. While the left looks too busy reciting the volume keys and two separate slots for SIM cards and microSD card. Power and lock keys on the right, with a smartly placed loudspeaker grill that doesn't muffle while holding the phone in landscape. The twine is about 18:9 aspect ratio, and being among the first ones to adapt the change, Samsung has done it in the Galaxy A6 Plus as well, but in this case, it's 18.5:9, similar to other Galaxy smartphones. The display has Full HD resolution and it's undoubtedly the highlights of the phone. It's bright, immersive and crisp. Samsung's AMOLED panels have always impressed, and this one makes sure it has the best screen in its league too. Although the phone sports an entry-level Snapdragon 450 chipset, we didn't find the Galaxy A6 Plus struggling for power until now. To be honest, we haven't put a lot of stress on the phone either. The Galaxy A6 Plus runs the Android Oreo 8.0 with company's custom UI on top. We must say Samsung has hugely improvised their software in terms of looks, transitions, and optimizations. It looks a lot cleaner and easy to use. There are a couple of India-centric features that Samsung has baked in this time. First and the most interesting one is the chat over video that allows users to reply to text on WhatsApp and Messages app without interrupting the video. A Facebook Messenger-like circular pop-up appears, which can be moved or dragged around the screen. It offers a see-through chat drop-down and keyboard, which doesn't block the video in the background. As for now, there are a few selected apps supported with this feature, but Samsung will be adding more in the future. Further, it has advanced memory management that automatically trashes duplicate images, moves media from Messenger app to microSD, zip unused files to save space. So software-wise, it's quite packed with skills. Bixby has also made it to the A series, but it's more or less a dummy as for now. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus is very well built and aims to suffice users looking for a dependable multimedia phone. The front camera managed to impress us in minutes and so did the display. Buying this phone is more like a bargain when there's quality versus quantity, but is the quality worth the extra bucks to make up for the quantity? Leave us your opinion in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.